g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making cottage cheese fudge. I know it sounds revolting. There's a lot of cottage cheese recipes right now. Cottage cheese is like a superfood. I eat a lot of it. It's full of protein and low in fat. So all you need is cottage cheese and melted chocolate, and that is it. And it's gonna taste delicious. So we're gonna pop it in our blender together. And we're going to mix it up till it's really nice and smooth. Okay, so it's blended up beautifully. We're going to put it in. If you don't have a silicone, you can put it in a parchment first. Oh, look how creamy that is. Delicious. And we're going to put it in the fridge or the freezer to set. And then when it's set, we'll come back and I will cut it into pieces. So I put it in the freezer. When I put it in, I actually made it thicker. It was too thin because I had half the recipe. And then you just cut it, and it's not completely set, but just cut it into pieces. And you have, there you go, chocolate cottage cheese fudge. Delicious. Enjoy.